Hi, my students, how are you? Are you ready to study the grammatical rule for Unit 4? Where do you live? When I ask you where do you live, you have to give me the directions or the prepositions of places that we're gonna learn today. The prepositions of places. What are the prepositions of places? Do you have any background or experience about them? If you know them, you should type them in the comments below the video. Let me teach you what are the prepositions. In, on, under, next to, in front of, behind, above, between. Okay, let's talk about the question that you have to use to ask about the places or the directions. When I ask you, where is your house? Or where is the bank? Where is the hospital? You have to give me the directions using this preposition of places. Let's talk about the first example. Where is your school? Let's talk about the questions or ask questions for describing places or the directions of the places. When I ask you, where is your house? And the answer should be, it's between the two tall trees. It's between the two tall trees. When I ask you about, where is the hospital? You have to tell me, it's in front of the bank. Actually, we finished this section part for grammar. And if you want to learn about how to write a paragraph about the topics for Unit 4, where do you live? Follow me to the next episodes for writing and teaching you how to write the grammar. Bye!